Alright, Daddy's gonna attempt to make some live action bicycling footage. Yeah! Yeah! Hey Zachary, is it fun?
Yeah.
Are you having a good time? Are you riding a bicycle? Yes, I am.
That is fun.
It's fun?
Yes.
Alright!
Yay. Rubber.
Doesn't Mommy look cute in her helmet?
The hard part is going uphill.
Careful, Mommy. Zachary. Zachary.